నమస్తే నేషనల్ టుడే వ్యూవర్స్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా ఎపిసోడ్స్ అన్నీ మీరు చూస్తున్నట్టున్నారు. చాలామంది చాలా బాగుంది అంటున్నారు. కొంతమంది డౌట్స్ పంపిస్తున్నారు. మీరు పర్సనల్గా నాకు పంపిస్తున్నారు. పర్సనల్గా పంపించడం కంటే మీరు కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కనుక రాస్తే నేను వాటికి రిప్లై ఇస్తాను. తద్వారా మిగతా వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సో మా వీడియో నచ్చినప్పుడు ఒకవేళ ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా ముందు ఎపిసోడ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా కింద లింక్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ లింక్లో చూస్తే కనుక మీకు అన్నీ అర్థమవుతాయి. ఈరోజు నేను చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ మెథడ్ చెప్తున్నాను. అమేజింగ్ మెథడ్ అన్నమాట. సో వాట్ యూ విల్ సీ దట్ యూ నో దట్ మెథడ్ బట్ యూ డోంట్ నో దట్ యూ నో ఇట్. అంటే అర్థమైంది కదా, మీకు తెలుసు కానీ మీకు తెలుసు అని మీకు తెలియదు అన్నమాట. అది ఎలాగో నేను చెప్తాను. ఇప్పుడు మనం హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ 2 digit నెంబర్. సో స్క్వేర్ ఏముంది సార్ చెప్పేస్తానంటారు. సో నేను అర్థం యూ మస్ట్ నో దట్ అప్ టు 9 యూ కెన్ టెల్. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. You are mugged up now. When you mugged up now up to 9 square you will tell. Again 12 square 144, 30 square 169, 40 square 96, 15 square again 225, like this. When I ask 53 square, when I ask 98 square, what is a 98 square? So what is a 98 square? What is a 97 square? Suppose what is a 63 square? What is a 47 square? You will be amazing because up to 10 you are mugged up now. I always say never mug up. You understand the concepts because the Vedic maths has given many methods to understand 10. So when you mug up now, even in the tables also, how to do the tables, how to without mugging up, how to master the tables also I'll teach you in the next episodes. So now let us go to the squares. How to find any 2 digit number. Suppose if I ask you 78 square, if I ask you 34 square, you will be able to tell in one step. So do you want to learn that? Okay, for that what you have to do, whatever I am going to teach you must practice. Okay, now let us learn how to find the square of any 2 digit number. Okay, so మీకు చెప్పాను కదా how to find the 2 digit squares. So everybody knows a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Is it correct or not? ఎవరిని అడిగినా చెప్పేస్తారు అందరూ, ఈవెన్ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా మర్చిపోం మనం. ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఈవెన్ పాట కూడా ఉంది. సో ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2ab ప్లస్ 2b స్క్వేర్. నౌ ఇదే ఫార్ములాని మనం వాడచ్చు. ఎలాగొచ్చు అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం మగ్గప్ చేసాం కదా స్క్వేర్ 30 స్క్వేర్ అని. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈజీ, ఇట్స్ నాట్ దట్ మచ్ నెసరీ. ఈజీలీ వీ కెన్ రిమెంబర్ నౌ. సో టు అండర్స్టాండ్ నౌ లెట్ us see how it will form now. So earlier also you learn the balancing method. No, we will use the balancing method and this formula to find out in the squares. Now let us say 12 square because you are mugged up, so you know 144. How 144 has come, if you understand now you can say 972 square also. So let us see how 12 square. 12 square is a square is equal to 1 square. 2ab, 2 into 1 into 2, 4. b square is equal to 4, 144. Understood now? Again one more thing, 30 square. 30 square, what is a square? 1. 2ab, 2 into 1 into 3 will come 6. 3 square is 9, 169. Understood now? The 40 square, 1 square is 1. 2ab, 1 into 4, just double it. So it will come 8. What is a square? 16. So again we learn the balancing method. In the balancing method 6, 1 carry here, 9 here, 196. Again 50 square. What is a square? 1. 2ab means 2 into 5, 10. What is a square? 25. Again balancing method. We are balancing 5. This 2 will carry here and 1 plus 1 go 225. What is the 53 square? Then you again find out now. What is a square? 25. That is balancing method. Okay, then 2ab, 8, 5 into 3, 15, just double it. 2ab means ab double it. So 15 double is 30. What is a square? 09. So we'll see 9, 0 carrying 0, 3 is carrying here 2809. So instead of multiplying with 3, again multiplying with pi and adding it and getting the answer, you will get instantly by seeing this. You will see. So you say, sir, this all I mugged up. What is the use? Because you know when we do yoga and meditation our concentration will increase. Understand now? Same way when we are doing the mental maths, means maths in the mind, our neurons will get activated. So we will be able to do sharpening, like sharpening the saw. So let us see how to find out the big digit 2 digits number. This is applicable for the 2 digit number only. How to find out 3 digit square I will tell you later on. So let us first learn now. Suppose up to here no problem, 25 you are learn now. Now let us say 36. 3 series 36. 36 again what to do? Here it is a square is equal to 09. 2ab 3 6 is 18, 18 double it, 36, 2ab has come, a square is 36, again on balancing 6, 6 plus 3 9, 3 here 12, 1296. Now let us say how 42 square, very simple. What is a square? 16. We are doing from left to right only, understood now, like a language. We need not to multiply with 2, 4 again, right to left and left to right, here only left right. Again now, what is 2ab? 2 4 just 8, everybody knows, just double it, 16. And what is a square? 0 4. So we are putting 4 here, we are carrying 6 here, 1 plus 6 7, 1764 is the answer. And this step you can make it in mind. Understood now? For understanding purpose I written. And you know balance, if you master the balancing which I taught you previously, and if you know the up to 9 digit squares, you can definitely do. Now let us go to the 5 series. 5 means 56 square. 56 square means what is a square? 25. Understood now? What is 2ab? 5 6 is 30. 30 just double it. 60. What is a b square? 36. So 6 will come. Here 3 will carry here 3. 6 plus 5 31. 11. 1 carrying 3. 3136 is the square of the 56. Now let us say 64. 64 also very simple. It is as easy as 12 square only. What is this? A square is equal to 36. 2ab. 6 4 just 24. 24 double it because 2ab. AB just we have double it. So 24 double 48. 48 again 16. A square b square is 16. So we are putting 6 here. Okay, 6. And 1 8 9 has come, 4 we are carrying, so here 4096. 4096 is the answer for the 64 square. So let us say now 76 square. So 76 square very difficult, you will say. You have to multiply with 6, multiply with 7, add it. No, not required. A formula is there which already you know it, but you don't know that you can use for this finding the squares. Now here 7 square. What is the 7 square? Simply everybody knows 49. And what is the 2ab? 6 7 just 42. 42 double it 84. We will put 84 here. What is the b square? 36. 6 square is 36. Unbalancing. Balancing method again 6. 4 plus 3 7. Again 8 plus 9. 17. 1 carry. 1 plus 4 5. 5776. This you can do it in mind without using pen and paper. Okay, for understanding purpose I use it. If you ask me any 2 digit number, definitely without using paper I can tell, and you can also say. Now it is not impossible, no, only the practice makes a man perfect. Now let us go to the 80 series. 80 series, let us say 87 square. 87 square again difficult to say, don't worry. What is 8 square? 64. What is 2ab? 7 8 just 56, just double it, 112. We are putting a slash. You understood now earlier why I told you to put slash, because you should not get confusion. Middle digit will come here, and again last digit, that is the b square. B square is 749. So on balancing it, 9, 4 plus 2 6. Again 11 is there. 11 we are carrying to here. 15. Okay. Here 6 here's them. Again 15. 1 carrying. 1 plus 6 7. 7569. Again you will say, sir, 93 square I want. Oh my God, 93 square. 93 square also very easy. What is the 9 square? 81. What is the 2ab? 93 is just 27. 27 double it, 54. What is the b square? 9. 9 we will put it. On balancing it, 9 will carry 4. 5 plus 1 6. 8 6 4 9. Okay. Now 98 square. 98 square again, it is very easy as like 8 square. What you have to do? What is the 9 square? 81. 2ab, 98 just how much? 72. 72 double it, 144. What is 8 b square? B square is 8, 64. On balancing it, we are putting 4 and 6 we are carrying it here. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 is there. 14 plus 1, 15. This all we are doing in mind. 15 plus 1, we are carrying it here to here. So 16, the 6 will come. Then again, we are carrying it. So it is coming here, 16 will carry here, 8 plus 1, 9, 9604. So this way you can find out any 2 digit number by using the formula which we already knew it. You just ask your brother is it because who is studying in engineering, you will say, ah, yeah, acha, this way I can use it. So this way you can amaze the people. And secondly, now for this only condition I want that up to 9 square you should know. If you know up to 9 square, how to find out 9 square also, how to do multiplication, how to get the tables, I'll teach you in next episode. So don't miss the next episode, it will be very, very interesting one. How to find out the additions also I'll be teaching now. So if anybody is having any doubt, kindly comment in the comment box. So I will clarify your doubts. But thing is that please wait. First of all, whatever I taught now, you practice it. So later on I am having answer for all your questions. I can answer it, I can prove it. But thing is that it takes time. So slowly let us learn. Okay. If anybody is having anything, any doubt, please comment. Thank you very much.
మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.